Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Recipe today is a traditional Syrian drink, usually made in the month of Ramadan, called Tamarind Hindi. It's a tamarind drink. Tamarind has lots of great benefits, and I'm going to show you how to make this drink step by step. Let's get started. So first we're going to need seedless tamarind, and it comes in a block just like this. You can find it at your Middle Eastern store. It comes 14 ounces. We're going to use half of it. Put the remaining half in the refrigerator. I'm adding 4 cups of almost boiling water on top of my tamarind paste. Now this recipe will make 8 cups of the tamarind drink. Hot water is going to soften it up. In a separate dish, you're going to add about 3/4 to 1 cup of sugar, just depends on how sweet you like it, and the remaining 4 cups of water. The reason why we're adding hot water to the sugar is so it can dissolve evenly in the water. When the water cools enough where you can touch it but it's still warm, go ahead and start squishing the tamarind in and let that tamarind start releasing with the water. With another bowl, add a mesh strainer and add your tamarind water and start squishing it and straining it as much as you can to get all the tamarind out of that pulp. We're going to repeat this process about 3 times from one bowl to another until we get all that tamarind out. And finally, on the 4th round, you're going to add your water sugar to it and then strain the pulp well and throw it away. Give it one final stir, put it in the refrigerator, and serve chilled. Thank you for watching this simple and easy traditional Syrian tamarind drink. I hope you enjoy making it at home.